Hello, my dear student. Today we will study a new topic of English grammar, which is voice. Yes, students, today we will study the topic voice. Before we study the topic voice, first we have to know what is the major part. Actually, in English grammar, what is the main role ऑफ वॉइस वॉइस का मेन रोल क्या होते हैं आज हम उसी के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे ओके स्टूडेंट्स इफ वी नो द बेसिक concept of voice it will be very easy for us to interact with other people very easily and to write something like essay letter application everything whatever we do for writing we can use the sentence using active voice and passive voice. Okay, students. So, in every situation of our life, voice is very important. If we know the concept of voice, then it will be very easy for us in future time. Okay, students. देखते हैं voice के बारे में. Okay. So, particularly if we see, voice is divided into two parts. Yes, students. Voice is two parts. First one is active voice and second part is passive voice. Okay, it means I have told you voice is two types. One is active voice and another one is passive voice. Okay, first we have to know what is active voice. Okay, every day in our life, in school life, we will write the sentence in active voice. It means what is active voice? In a sentence, if the subject leads main character, then this type of sentence is called active voice. First, we have to see. Suppose I will write the sentence. Ram is eating fruits. Yes, students, Ram is eating fruits. First, in previous moment, I have told you in a sentence, if the subject leads main character, then this type of sentence is called active voice. Yes, before we have to find out the active voice, which sentence is active voice, first we have to know or we have to find out the verb. Yes, students, we have to find out the verb or action word. Actually, which one is action word in that sentence? Okay, so eating means कुछ खाना है. So in that sentence, is eating is our action word. It means the person who doing the action word is called subject. Yes, it means who is eating fruits. So our answer will be Ram. Ram is our subject. It means the person who will do the action word is called subject. Yes, and I have told you the in a sentence if the subject leads main character, then this type of sentence is active voice. Yes, students, Ram is eating fruits, and this part is our subject, and this part is our verb. And what did the Ram doing? What is the Ram doing? What is the Ram doing? मतलब राम जो भी काम करते हैं उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? ऑब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. तो राम अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? खा रहे हैं. मतलब क्या खा रहे हैं? फ्रूट्स. जो भी चीज वो कर रहे हैं उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. सो इन दैट सेंटेंस आवर ऑब्जेक्ट इज fruits. Okay, students, the object is fruits. So we know that in a sentence there are three parts. One is subject, verb, and another part is object. Okay, in a sentence, if the sequence like subject, verb, and object or anything else, this type of sequence is called active voice. Okay, students. So main thing is how to convert active voice to passive voice. Okay, in previous video I have already told you the form. I am I have told you about four forms. Yes. What are the four forms? First one is simple. Second one is progressive. Third one is perfect. Fourth one is perfect progressive. Yes, students, I have told you in previous video. Form is four types. One is simple, progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. Okay, students. So, if in a sentence, if ing word is used, then we have to know this sentence is in progressive form. Okay, I have already told you. If you are not watching that video, then you will go to that. You will watch that video. Okay, students. Ram is eating fruits. So this is our progressive form. Now the main thing is what we have to convert this active voice to passive voice. Okay, before we convert active voice to passive voice, first we have to know about our rules. Actually, what are the main rules to convert from active to passive voice? Okay, I will erase that point. First, we have to know about, we will study about the in simple form. Okay, in simple form, the structure will be subject plus base verb plus object. Okay, suppose I will write an example. Ram drinks water. Ram drinks water. This is the sentence which I have written on the whiteboard. Okay, students. So in that sentence, the subject is Ram and the base verb is drinks and the object is water. It means I have told you, if we ask question using the WH word what, then the answer will be what? The answer will be water. Yes. What does Ram drink? Then our answer water. So water is object. Okay. And the verb is what? Drink. This is our verb and this is our subject. Before we converting from active voice to passive voice, first we have to know in a sentence which part is subject, which part is verb and which part is object. If we know the parts of the sentence, then it will be very easy for us to convert passive voice. Okay, so in simple form, if we convert that one, then the answer, first we will write object plus b verb plus v3. Yes, students, the structure will be like that. First object, then b verb and v3. It means verb का थर्ड फॉर्म. और बी वर्ब होते हैं हमारा बी वर्ब. आई विल राइट इन प्रेजेंट केस इज, am or are. It is in present. And was and were, these are our past. Yes, students, this is past and this is present. Okay, so Ram drinks water. It means we have to see the sentence is written in present or past. So as a drink, we know that it is in present. So if we convert in passive voice, then according to that structure, first we will write the object. Okay, students, what will be the object? The object is water. Okay, the object is water. First, I have already written the object. Before then, I will see that water is singular or plural. Okay, students, and all uncountable nouns, जितने सारे भी uncountable noun होते हैं, वो सब होते हैं हमारा singular. So as a singular object and present, which be verb I can use? Water is third person singular number, so I can use each. Okay, students, so water is. I can use is. Then after that I will use, I have already completed be verb. Then उसके बाद क्या आएगा V3 मतलब verb का third verb. Then what will be the verb? The verb is drinks. I will write the three verb in that part. Drink, drank, drunk. Okay students, so this is our V1, this is V2 and this is V3. Okay students, and in that case I will write drunk, drunk, D-R-U-N-K, drunk by Ram. Okay, this is the passive voice which we will convert from active to passive. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay students, and I have told you in present form. Now we will see how to convert active to passive if the sentence is given in past form. Yes, past tense. If the sentence is given in past tense, how will we convert? Okay, I will erase. I hope you will write. Suppose this is the verb which I will erase. If I will write Ram drank. Yes, Ram drank water. This is the sentence. This is active voice. We have to convert that one into passive. Okay, Ram drank water. Then what will be the answer? First, according to that formula, I will write the object first. After that, be verb. Now we have to find out which be verb we can use. It means is, am, are. These are present, and was, were. These are past. So according to that sentence, drank. Drank is present or past? Drank is past. So which be verb we can use? Was or were. It means we know that drank is past. So we will use was or were. If the object is singular, then we can use was, or if the object will be plural, then we can use were. So according to that sentence, the water, it means water is singular, so I will use was. Water was. Then V3. I have already written in previous moment, drink, drank, drunk. So the answer will be like that. Drunk by Ram. Okay students, this is the passive voice, passive form of that sentence. Ram drank water. Now let's see, I will write another example. Gopal wrote letters to his friends. Yes, this is the sentence. I will write in largely. Gopal wrote letters to his friends. Okay students, this is the sentence. Now we have to convert this sentence, this active voice into passive voice. So according to that formula, I am just telling about simple form. Okay, and in progressive form, the sentence will be changed. In perfect, the sentence will be changed. In perfect progressive, the way of writing will be changed. Okay, in simple form, we will, the basic structure of active voice is subject, base verb and object. Okay, like that we will study for form. Okay students, so the sentence is Gopal wrote letters to his friends. So first we have to see the object. What will be the object in that sentence? How do we find out the object? This is the main question of us. So if we ask any question using the word using WH word what. Okay, if we ask question using the WH word what, then the answer will be our object. Okay, Gopal wrote letters to his friends. Now if I make a question using the WH word what, then how will be like that? What did Gopal write? What did Gopal write? What did Gopal write? Gopal wrote letters. What did Gopal write? Letter. वो क्या लिख रहा था? लेटर लिख रहा था, मतलब लेटर्स हो गया हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट. यस, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट action word. Yes, the action word is what? Wrote. This is our verb or action word. And what will be the subject? Who wrote letters? Who? If we ask question or if we make a question using the WH word who, then the answer will be our subject. So answer is Gopal. Yes, this is our subject. Okay, we know subject, verb and object in that sentence. Now let's come to convert this sentence in passive voice. Okay, so according to that rule we have to convert. Yes, so first we will write object. What will be the object? The object will be letters. Okay students, I have written the object letters. Now we will see the letter is singular or plural. Yes, the letter is singular or plural. Letters, it means in previous class I have told you about singular and plural number. If in singular s, if a word used with s or yes, that is plural. In case otherwise it is singular. Letters, it means it is plural. So Gopal wrote letters to his friends. So wrote, it is given wrote. It means I will write the three form of write, wrote and written. So wrote is our past form. So as we know, wrote is past tense, then which be verb we can use, present or past? Obviously we can use past tense. Yes, why? Because this sentence is written in present or past. It is written in past. Okay, so we can use past be verb. It means was or were. This is the question. Okay, now we will use was or were according to the object. If the object will be singular, then was is used. If the object will be plural, then where will be used. Okay students, so letter as plural, so where we can use letters where. Then what will be the V3? V3 will be written. Yes students, the V3 of write will be written. Letters were written to his friends by Gopal. Okay students, this is the process how to convert active voice to passive voice in simple form. Okay students, first we will know the four forms: simple, progressive, perfect and perfect progressive. Okay, this is the first form which I have already explained how to convert the active voice to passive voice in simple form. Okay, and in next part or next video we will discuss about progressive, perfect and perfect progressive. Okay students, and today we will discuss how to convert in passive voice. I will give some more example in the description box. You will try to convert active voice to passive voice in simple form. Okay students,